What did you do today?
Look.
What you do today?
Look.
What did you do today?
Look, Uncle.
What? What you do today? I just want to know what you did today.
Me. Mommy, flower.
You picked the flower?
Yeah. Let me take a flower.
You took the flower?
Yeah.
Then what?
I've been a bunny.
You played with your bunny?
Yeah. I put just right side.
You played with JJ outside?
Yeah.
Then what? Tell Michael to shut up.
It's a setup. You're funny.